Imagine this, you wake up without an alarm, you grab your laptop, head to a cafe, or maybe work from a balcony overlooking the ocean. You edit videos, deliver them, and that's it. No endless revisions, no racing against the clock for $50 projects. Instead, you're on a retainer, 2K here, 3K there, maybe even 5K per client every single month. And clients respect your time. They listen to your input, and most importantly, they pay you for your value you create, not the hours you put in. But here's the reality. You wake up sleep deprived because you stayed up until 3 a.m. finishing an edit that barely gets paid enough to cover groceries. And first thing you see on your phone, a wall of client messages, endless revision requests, nitpicky feedback, and the worst part, you already know this project won't lead to anything consistent, just another one-off gig. That's the cycle most editors are stuck in. And the editing world has completely split into two camps. On one side, you have editors grinding away in low-ticket hell, Fiverr gigs, Upwork races to the bottom, and $50 edits that eat up entire weekends. On the other side, you've got editors consistently pulling in 6K, 8K, and even a 10K month. Not because they are the most talented, but because they understand one thing: clients don't just want pretty videos, they want results. Let me be completely upfront here. Just because I've gotten these results doesn't mean you automatically will. I'm not selling you an overnight success fantasy, but what I can tell you is that this approach has worked for editors who started with zero experience, zero connections, and zero business background. Take Suhir, for example. 8 months ago, he was just freelancing small edits, and today he's moved his entire family to Dubai, editing for Arabic channels with over 6 million subscribers, and he even leads a full team of editors under him. Or Simon, who started with zero professional experience, and now he edits my reels and works with a channel pulling in over $1 million a year. At just 15 years old, he's already out earning adults simply because he took action. And then there's Max. He used to be stuck in low ticket hell and taking whatever came his way. Now he's partnered up with a cycling YouTuber on a mid 4-figure retainer plus profit share, building a real career doing what he loves. Finally getting paid what he's worth. And in case we haven't met, I'm Tom. I spent the last decade building my editing career from scratch, started editing random projects for pocket change, and built now a YouTube channel to 70,000 subscribers and work with 7-figure creators and businesses. I've made every mistake possible in this industry, so you don't have to. Because here's what most editors get completely wrong. You think most clients hire editors to make videos look good, right? Wrong. Clients hire you to make their business grow. They don't care about your color grading skills if their sales aren't increasing. They don't care about smooth transitions if their audience isn't engaged. And this is why 90% of editors stay stuck in that low ticket hell I referred about earlier. They're competing with thousands of editors on the same platform, racing to the bottom on price, taking whatever scraps they can get. But what if you positioned yourself differently? What if instead of being just an editor, you became someone who understands the entire content creation process? Someone who knows not just how to edit, but why certain edits work better for driving results. That's exactly what separates the $200 editors from the $8,000 editors. And that's what separates normal editors from full stack editors. A full stack editor doesn't just cut videos, they understand audience psychology. They know what makes content convert, and they can look at a client's business and immediately see what types of videos will move the needle. They speak the language of the business owners and not just the technical editing terms. And let me break this down, what I call the 4 pillars of full stack editing. Pillar 1 is outcome-based thinking. Stop thinking like a service provider and start thinking like a business partner. When a coaching client sends you raw footage, you're not just cleaning up audio and cutting up pauses. You're creating content that will generate leads, build authority, and drive sales. Every edit decision should be made with that end goal in mind. Pillar 2 is client intelligence. You need to understand your client's business as good and ideally better than they do. What's their revenue model? Who's their audience? And what results are they trying to achieve? When you understand these fundamentals, you can proactively suggest content strategies that actually work. And this is what transforms you from an order taker to a strategic partner. Pillar 3, full spectrum skills. Yes, you need solid editing skills, but you also need to understand thumbnails because they determine if anyone clicks. You need to grasp basic copywriting because your titles and descriptions matter. You should know the basics of paid advertising because many of your edits will become ads. And you don't need to be an expert at everything, but you need to understand how all these pieces connect. Lastly, pillar 4, systematic delivery. This is what lets you scale. You need templates, workflows, and systems that ensure consistent quality without burning yourself out. When you can deliver predictable results efficiently, you can charge premium prices and take on multiple high-value clients. Now here's where most editors make a critical mistake. They try to work with everyone. small businesses, e-commerce brands, agencies, random content creators, and this is exactly backwards. Because like one of my mentors once said, want to get paid better, fix rich people's problems. Which is why I would recommend working with coaches and creators. Here's why. Their entire business depends on content. A single well-edited sales video can generate 6 figures in revenue, a good YouTube strategy can build a 7-figure business, and they know video content isn't just marketing, it's their product. But here's the secret that most editors miss. Don't chase the biggest name in the space, because everyone is trying to work with the million subscriber YouTubers and 8-figure course creators, but instead find high potential creators who are just starting to scale. Look for creators with 10,000 to 50,000 followers who already have a proven offer. They're making $5,000 to $15,000 monthly, but ready to explode. And when you help them grow from 15,000 to 100,000 monthly, they'll never let you go. You become part of their success story. And this is exactly how Max landed his dream client. Instead of pitching to massive fitness influencers, he found a coach with a few thousand subscribers who was just launching his online program. Max became his video partner from day one, and today that coach has over 100,000 subscribers and generates 500,000 annually. Max gets a few thousand in base fee a month and plus a monthly commission. But how do you actually land these clients? The answer isn't cold emailing or hoping they find your portfolio. It's something I call strategic outreach with proof of value. Here's the framework. Find a creator you want to work with, study their current content, and create a sample edit that improves one of their existing videos. Send it to them with a simple message, show, don't tell. When someone sees their own content transformed, the conversation completely changes. You're not asking for a chance anymore, you're demonstrating value upfront. But here's what separates good outreach from great outreach: understanding what the client actually needs and not just what they think they want. Most creators think they need better editing, but what they actually need is content that converts better. They think they want fancy motion graphics, but what they actually need is a video that holds attention and drives action. This is where your Fullstack Editor knowledge becomes invaluable. When you can look at a client's business and immediately identify the biggest content opportunity, you stop being a vendor and become a consultant. For example, let's say you're talking to a fitness coach who you want to help with their YouTube videos. Most editors would focus on making the videos look more professional. A Fullstack editor would ask, what's your main revenue source? Online training programs? Great. Let's create a content funnel where your YouTube videos drive people to a free workout guide, which leads them to your paid program. See the difference? You're not just editing videos, you're building a content system that grows their business. And this approach lets you charge premium prices because you're not competing on editing skills anymore. You're the person who understands their business and knows how to use video content to achieve their goals. Now, once you land that first client, your job isn't to just deliver good edits, your job is to become irreplaceable. Study their audience, track which videos perform best, suggest new content ideas, and gradually take over more aspects of their content strategy. The goal is to evolve from editor to content partner. And when you're deeply involved in their strategy and consistently helping them get better results, they can't afford to lose you. That's when you renegotiate from a fixed monthly fee to a percentage-based commission. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do you actually develop these skills? Now here's the good part. You don't actually need to become an expert at everything overnight. You just need to understand enough to be good in each area. Learn the basics of copywriting so you can write better titles. Understand fundamental design principles so your thumbnails convert. Know enough about advertising to recognize what makes a good ad creative. The 80-20 rule applies perfectly here, so 20% of the knowledge in each area will give you 80% of the results. You're not trying to replace specialists, you're trying to understand how all the pieces work together. And this is actually how modern businesses operate anyway. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't experts at every aspect of their business. They're generalists who understand how all the systems connect. That's exactly what a full stack editor is for content creation. Rather than fixating on editing itself, you can learn along the way. But the key is picking the right first client. You want someone who is already successful enough to pay well, but still growing fast enough that your impact will be obvious. Here's exactly how to find these clients. So go to platforms where your ideal clients hang out. For coaches, that might be Instagram, LinkedIn, or industry-specific communities, and look for people who are clearly successful, but whose content could be better. Red flags to avoid: someone just starting out with no revenue, someone who's already working with a full production team, or someone who sees video as an afterthought rather than a core part of their business. Green flags to look for are consistent content posting, engaged audience, clear business model, and room for improvement in their current videos. Once you identify potential clients, the outreach process is straightforward. You create a sample edit that demonstrates immediate value. Not a generic demo reel, but something specifically for them using their actual content. Record a quick 60-second video explaining what you changed and why it will get better results. And send it with a simple message. Notice your content has great ideas, but could use some strategic editing tweaks, and I created this sample to show what I mean. Thought you might find it useful. This approach works because you're leading with value instead of asking for something. You're demonstrating your full stack editor mindset by focusing on results and not just prettier visuals. And when they respond positively, you get on a call, and don't pitch your editing services. Present yourself as a content growth partner. Talk about their business goals, understand their challenges, and then explain how better video content can solve those specific problems. Price based on the value you create and not the time you spend. If better content can help them grow from 20K to 40K monthly, charging $4,000 for that transformation is a bargain for them. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. You're not selling editing hours, you're selling business growth through strategic content creation. Once you master this approach with one client, everything becomes easier. You understand the business model, you know what works, you can confidently take on similar results and deliver results from day one. That's when you can start building your personal brand around your expertise. Share case studies, break down successful video strategies, show the business results your editing achieved, and when you have proof of your impact, dream clients start reaching out to you. The path is clear. Master full stack editor approach with one great client, systematically expand your skills based on real business needs, build case studies and social proof, then attract dream clients through your demonstrated expertise. Trust me, the opportunity in the creator economy has never been bigger. Every successful coach, consultant, and course creator needs someone who understands both the technical side of video and the business sides of content strategy. And most editors only know one side. When you master both, you become irreplaceable. So here's what I want you to do. Take everything I shared today and put it into action. Find one high potential creator in a niche you understand, study their content and business model, create a sample edit that shows how you can help them get better results, send it over and start a conversation. But if you want to accelerate this process and avoid months of trial and error I went through, I've created something special. It's a complete system that takes you from wherever you are today to landing your first full stack editor client. I'll break down every aspect of the full stack editor approach, how to analyze client businesses, how to identify content opportunities, how to create sample edits that close deals, how to price based on value, and how to build long-term partnerships that grow your income automatically. You'll get access to real case studies, proven outreach templates, and a community of editors who are implementing these strategies right now. Plus, I'll personally review your first client pitch to make sure you're positioning yourself correctly. Again, the creator economy is exploding. Every month you wait is another month of 10K plus in potential monthly revenue walking out the door. While other editors are fighting over $50 projects, you could be building partnerships that pay you for years. If you're ready to stop being just another editor and start being the full stack editor that clients can't afford to lose, click the link below. I'll see you inside. Let's build your editing business the right way.